Hello everyone. Thought I'd share what I got in the mail from Mr. John Tuttle today. See what we got. Nice. Keeps it from bouncing around. I like recycled packaging. More packaging. Wow. What? Wow. That is awesome. Look at that. That's a Clovis. That's an honor. He signed it. Wow. That is an honor. I'm going to figure out how to take these out without messing them up. It says push here. Wait a minute, I'm sure this has got to come off. There we go. Wow. Look how thin that Clovis is when he fluted that. Wow. That is super thin. Look at that. I am just tickled to death to have a point from John. Wow. And I'm not sure what the material is here. It looks like Buffalo River. If I hold it in front of the camera instead of looking. Maybe Buffalo River. Look at that. That is awesome. Beautiful material. Well, I'm just honored to have that. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that at all. I sent Mr. Tuttle some hand pads and a fishing lure I made. And he's like, I wonder how he knew I liked fishing. I don't know. I just had the feeling. That is awesome. Make sure that there's nothing else. This is padding. I'm just honored. Flat out honored to have that. And I cannot wait to put those in my case. I hope it's okay you go in there with Danny. Is that okay, Mr. Tuttle? Oh, I love it. You'll be with Mr. Jack Crafty and Mr. Sal Perelez. I hope I said that. Perelez. Salvador. You'll be with them guys. I am honored. And there's one more I'm missing. Oh yes, Mr. Roy Miller. Thank you very much. Wow. I'm just honored. That's my first Clovis. I've never touched a Clovis, never seen one in person, never tried to make it. and now I have one. Thank you very much, sir. I surely appreciate that greatly.